Hello, may adlaw sa tanan. So, naabot ka dire, kita ka nga video, interesado yung stock market siguro. So, makita na to nga kanang sa stock market, daghan kayong mga rich kids, then kanang mga like Warren Buffett, nga daghan og nadato daw sa stock market. So, kani atong i-discuss daan na before ka mo invest sa stock market, ito siyang i-discuss ang mga expectations o ang realities sa stock market. Sa pagkatinood lang, ang trading's only real secret is that the best loser is the long-term winner, according to Phantom of the Pits. Ito na i-discuss later nga no, ang the best loser is the long-term winner. In this expectation and realities, atong i-discuss ang universal principles of successful trading. Muna yung ginatawag na the process sa trading. The universal principles of successful trading outline the process of trading. There are 6 essential principles of successful trading. Una, preparation. Sunod, enlightenment. Sunod, development of a trading style. Selecting markets to trade. The 3 pillars, commencement of trading. Ang atong i-discuss diri kay ang preparation, enlightenment, the 3 pillars, ug ang commencement of trading. Kaning development of a trading style, since ang ako aman kay ako itudlo isang basics, ako itudlo ang ako ang style, ako ang system. Eventually, if makat-on na nimo ako ang trading style, dayon eventually mo evolve ka as a trader, ma-list na to nimo, ma-adjust na to nimo sa nga mo fit siya sa imong style, sa imong personality, sa imong time, sa imong who you are as a trader. So, let's get to it. Una ta sa preparation. Ito sa yung outline ang katong mga principles. Preparation explains what traders can expect from the markets and trading. It also shows traders that what they can do before they even start trading to ensure that they don't go too far. Good preparation will provide you with a strong foundation to your trading. Enlightenment discusses what is necessary to succeed. It points out where traders should be directing their energy. Enlightenment will guide you down the correct path to survive in trading. Development of a trading style brings into focus what you need to know when selecting a method to trade. Knowing how to select the best markets, kaning markets, wa may choice ani, since stock raman ta diri sa Philippine Stock Exchange. So, dili na kita mag-discuss ana. The 3 pillars address the 3 tangible ingredients of successful trading. Una, money management, methodology, and psychology. Ngayon, lastly, the commencement of trading puts it all together. As you can see, trading is the last principle of the 6. I hope you can understand why so many traders lose. They start trading almost immediately when it should be the last thing they do. So, reality check. Unfortunate truth in the market. 90-90 rule. 90% of traders highlighter na. So, 90% of traders will lose their risk capital within 90 days. Tinood nga daghan ang nadato sa stock market pero mas daghan ang napildi. Why? The simple answer to why 90% of traders lose is ignorance. While many analysts argue that psychology is the main reason, I maintain that the deeper answers are gullibility and laziness. Mangita sila sa sayon nga dalan kanang get rich quick scheme. They don't want to do hard work when and everything man unta it takes hard work to succeed. Kabantay kang anong daghan kayong mga scamman sa mga kapa, mga pyramiding scheme. Kaya tungod lagi anang nga Ganahan madato dayon sa trading na po na kanang mga gullible then mga tapulan nga mga tao munay dali kayo nga mahurot gyud ilang kwarta diretso. 90% will lose their risk capital meaning ilahang portfolio within 90 days. Ito ilang kwarta nga ilang invest mahurot dayon tungod kay wala nila gitun-andaan ang stock market. Gusto sila nga mo dato dayon yung mga piso gawin nating 1 million na nga mga scheme. Short story of how 90% of traders lose. Common mistakes year 1. Welcome to your first year of trading. If you ever had any doubt at all about your level of ignorance, then rest assured that during your first year of trading, you are king ignorant. Methodology. Mo ni ang mga ginabuhat sa mga beginners sa year 1. Listening to others and following tips. When most people start trading, they will invariably listen to others and follow tips. This is a recipe for disappointment. Sometimes the tip may be successful, but over the longer term, it's a loser's game. You should only ever trade because of what you think, not because of what others say in the corridor or over a dinner table. Apo isahay ka nang sa kuan. Apo isahay ka nang diri sa Instagrams. Click home. Kung investor user ka, naman ginadire sa ilang website, mura man sa social media sa mga traders o sa mga investors. Sagara pud nga mga kuan, sagara nga mga beginners, di gid pud na malikayan nga mga gyud og tips, ngita og tips. For example, kaning diri stock trendings, si dito, si ATN, PSEI, Merrimart, Macro Asia, kana FB, si GMA. So, tanong nila, uy, daghan kayo nagtabi ani nga stock. Palitin sila. However, kani nga mga stock, mo nang saba kana sila dira, daghan kayo mga ga-trending ni sa nga algorithm, bro mo siya algorithm gud sa Twitter bitaw. Daghan og hashtag. So, example, tantalang kaning GMA. Sikat man siya kay tungod kay na-shutdown ng ABS-CBN. Pero kung tan-awon nimo ang GMA, wala na siya. Tan-awon nimo gikan sa officially nga pag-shutdown nabot siya 850 ang price. Karon na sa 5.53. So negative 35% na ang nitabo. Unya og mopalit ka nga stock tungod kay mo'y gitabi-tabi sa mga tao, you are bound for disappointment. Kana nga mga di pang chismis diha is gonna disappoint you and will make you lose money. So muli kay tana aron dili ta ma-appeal sa 90% nga traders nga mapildi. Next is that reacting to nightly news. Often inexperienced traders will hear some news such as most companies nag-report og good earnings or kaha nindot itong GDP growth. And the next day they'll go long, meaning mupalit sila, only to be stopped out at a loss. It takes a long time to understand that once the news arrives in our living rooms in the evening, the information is already old. The market has already anticipated and reacted to the news, and new traders don't realize this. For example, sa GMA, kung nipalit ka itong news sa ABS-CBN shutdown, katong pagkapalong yun, na katong not sa katong nag-vote og yes na yun ang mga legislators, katong pag yung na-expire ilang franchise, kung nipalit ka pagkaugma, pagka June 12, June 11 siguro ni pagka na screenshot nipalit kay GMA7 pagkaugma atong nag-expire ilang franchise imong kwarta karon negative 32%. For example na po isa Bitcoin sa una sikat kaning Bitcoin kung ay pa ka ni palit nga nabalitaan ang Bitcoin gi news na siya kayo dayon na siya sa TV Patrol na siya sa GMA na siya sa 24 oras mo na time nga ulahin na ka na dayon pagkabalita na to niya nagsige na siya ka news gikan sa 20,000 nanaog na sa 5.8 kaya nga no ang mga smart money ang katong mga big institutions mga big banks nagsugod sila pamalit diri pa 2017 hangtod sa nagsaka dahil since wala man sila mabaligyan diri kinsa may ilang baligyan katong mga late na nga nagkapalit kung nipalit tungod kay news. Next, money management. Kaning money management sa mga first time traders wala kay sila pakyana kaya ang ilang concern is that they have enough money to initiate a trade. They have enough money makapalit og stock sa Jollibee, they have enough money makapalit og stock sa SM. The idea of money management is given little thought. New traders usually have no concept of their risk of ruin, which we will discuss in the later videos, brought about by risking too large a slice of their account balance on any one trade. Psychology. Ang psychology sa mga first-time traders. Una, trading for excitement. One of the reasons many people trade is that it provides an exciting distraction from what may be a relatively orderly and conservative life. Trading gets the hearts racing and adrenaline flowing. Even if they're losing, traders often keep at it because the next trade is always an exciting mystery. Will they win or will they lose? So mura na kang nagsugal kibali sa stock market dayon as we always say, the house always wins, meaning ang casino always wins. Ang bankero always mudaog. Ang katong mga players pirmi mapildi in the long run. Trading for revenge or to get even. When they lose, traders often get angry and want to get even with the market. Losing is like receiving two blows. One sa imong pride ug isa sa imong pitaka. And when new traders get pushed, they want to push right back. Revenge rather than logic motivates their trading. Being emotional is a common behavior for new traders. However, it's also a shortcut to the poorhouse. So, another part sa imong preparation is to know your emotional orientation. Objectives plus expectations ang component sa emotional orientation. Objectives. Believe it or not, winning or being right isn't that important. This is something most traders fail to learn until it's too late. Unfortunately, the desire to win, to be right, works against making money in the stock market. Ang tudlo sa ato sa school is dapat bawal ta masayop or else mabagsak ta. This mindset don't fit well in the markets. What you learn later when I discuss positive expectancy is that winning is only one half of the equation. Wanting to win is not wrong, but by focusing solely on winning, traders are looking in the wrong direction. They're emotionally disoriented. Expectations. Unrealistic expectations are the twin evil of the obsession with winning. These combine to create havoc with your emotional orientation. For example, if your expectation is to make a fistful of dollars, you'll almost certainly guarantee your trading demise. What is paramount for sustainable success is the adoption of modest expectations. Kasagara man good sa mga makasulod sa stock market. Ilang expectation ang ilang 1,000 nga kwarta mahimong 1 million or ka ilang 1,000 mahimong 10,000. Imagine na ang 1,000 mahimong 10,000 pila na ka percent. I-compute nimo na para ang 1,000 mahimong 10,000 need ka makagain og, you guessed it right, 1,000%. Kaya ba na 1,000%? Okay na sa in the long run, pero ang mga beginners mingon sila nga gusto sila nga ilahang 1,000 mahimong 10,000 in the short amount of time. Kung ilang gusto nga sunod tuig ilang 1,000 10,000 na. Miski imong 1,000 gusto nimo mahimong 5,000, that's 500% gain. That's like in a short period of time impossible. Looking to make a 20-30% return is far more achievable and far less challenging than a return of 50% or more. Most people lose because they want more. It's a case of good old passion grip or unrealistic expectations. There's an old saying in the Wall Street, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Pigs kay greedy man sila. Best loser wins. Your preparation continues when you learn that the only real secret to successful trading is to manage your losses. If you can keep your losses small and manageable, and your wins larger than your losses, you'll stay ahead of the loser's game. Winning stocks tend to take care of themselves. The best loser is the long-term winner. Kaning stocks mura ra pud kag tanom. Nagtanom ka og pulo ka kaang, nagtanom ka og tantalang pitsay sa pulo ka kaang. Sa pulo ka kaang dili man siguro tanan ang motubo. May ginay chance na nga naay isa duha tulo nga wala ni labong. So buhatan na do, since mga loser man sila, mga pitsay, mo silang ilisan na pud og binhi. Kay katong mga 7 kabuok nga nitubo, they tend to take care of themselves. Nga dako sila. So, ang imong button is that mong ilisan tong mga losing stocks. Enlightenment video of Adam Khoo, Trade Like a Casino. Muna siyang i-search dira sa YouTube. Kani siyang Trade Like a Casino for Consistent Profits by Adam Khoo. Kini siyang presentation. Just watch it. So, the 3 pillars of trading methodology. And that's for part 2.